Hey folks, Jim Thomas here, Fitness Management and Consulting. I appreciate you being here at the channel today. And for those of you that have not yet done so, please hit the subscribe button. Appreciate it. And if you find the content that I provide beneficial, please hit that like button as well. And as a quick reminder, we've just launched our new course on a gym management playbook. And it's really designed for folks that are new to the industry, folks that are inexperienced. If you're struggling, it's designed to give you all the information you're going to need, to successfully run and manage, a sales department in your facility. So check out it in the link below. Look forward to seeing you there soon. So with that said, our topic today, it's sell like a gym professional. 6 easy rules. 6 easy rules to sell like a gym professional. Let's get into it. So number 1, if you're feeling pressure, you're doing something wrong. If you're feeling pressure, you're doing something wrong. So here's what I found to be true. Folks that are feeling pressure, okay, it's never a good situation. We don't feel good, you're not going to feel good, customer's going to feel this. But when you're feeling pressure, generally you're not feeling pressure because I want to get results for my customer. We're not feeling pressure because we want to solve problems. We're feeling pressure because we want to make the sale, or we feel like we need to make the sale. And if you're at that point, you're doing something wrong, because the focus here needs to be totally and completely how to solve the problem for my customer. If you're feeling pressure, we've gotten off course. Okay, so go back and reevaluate this. No matter what's going on around you, stay focused on solving the problem for your customer. Because if you do it right and follow that process, you're going to have success more often than not. Number 2, never answer the unspoken question. If they're not asking the question, don't answer it. I mean, I've seen some folks, someone will come in, they're interested, thinking of getting started, and we'll say something nutty like, well, hey, you're probably going to want to go home and talk to your spouse, right? Okay, don't start answering questions that aren't being asked. Okay, stay focused on what the customer's needs are, and stay focused on solving problems for them. Don't answer the unspoken question. Number 3, one opinion does not make a consensus. One opinion does not make a consensus, no matter whose opinion it is, okay? And the thing about opinion is not fact, okay? Opinion is just that, okay? And what we want to stay focused on is, our attitude, our work ethic, staying coachable. We get into this opinion thing, oh, they were never going to buy. That's not a consensus, and that's certainly not a fact. Okay, treat everybody like a buyer. But just understand that opinion is not fact. Opinion is not a consensus. Okay, so be careful with some of this other information that you might get. We want to stay focused on solving problems, getting results for people, treating people like buyers. Okay, this is the direction we want to head with this. Number 4, always protect the prospect's self-esteem. Always protect the prospect's self-esteem. A lot of folks that come in, this might be, the first time they've ever thought about entering an arena like this. They may not have exercised for quite some time. They might have, kind of physical anxiety about their body. Okay, they might be afraid of being sold. Okay. And what we're not trying to do, we're not trying to make them feel bad. We're not trying to, lower their self-confidence or self-esteem. We are putting them in a situation where they can have success. Okay, so I know a lot of folks, there's nothing wrong with weighing them in, nothing wrong with measuring them, but protect their self-esteem. When you do this, okay, we want them to feel good about themselves, because the better they start to feel about themselves, the better chance they're going to have, to get the results that they're looking for. Number 5, okay, you want to stay professionally involved with your customer, but emotionally distant. Okay, in other words, you can't get involved in the emotional part of this for them. You're the professional here. And here's what I mean by this is we want to stay focused on helping them get the results they're looking for. We want to stay focused on creating an environment that allows them to have success. We want to help them visualize, hey, here's what you're going to do, when you first lose that weight. Here's the changes you're going to make. Here's how this is going to change your life. Let's stay focused on that. Be a professional. By a professional, follow the process, have a great attitude. Let's don't cross that line, into something a little bit different. And then number 6, and this is one of my favorite ones, because so many folks, when we think of sales, I know when I ask this question all the time, define sales, I always get something that's negative, something that, is less than ideal or less than truly what it is. But if you're looking to sell like a pro and you have some of these issues, when in doubt, do the opposite of what you think a salesperson would do. When in doubt, do the opposite. And sometimes that can just be one of the best things that you can do. Because sometimes when we're selling this thing, there's very much a tendency, if you're not careful, we're focused on our goals instead of the customer's goals. And I know what our goals are. We want new customers. I understand that, okay? But you're going to get those by virtue of following the process and helping the customer achieve their goals. Stay focused on this, okay? Stay focused on solving problems, providing solutions, building value, and getting results for your customer. So 6 easy rules, or I hope they're easy for you, okay, that we can follow that can really start to make a difference in how we approach this and how we help our customers, get the results that they're looking for. So folks, my name is Jim Thomas. My company is Fitness Management and Consulting. If you found the content beneficial, please hit that like button, and we look forward to seeing you all in that next video.